Alright, so it's almost getting to the point where sun's beating on me. So to do this back part, I need to do the tailgate, and I forgot about that. So I've had devil of a time. If you guys saw the previous videos from a long time ago when I was trying to get this tailgate off the Jeep, and I just either was stripping the bolts that were connected, or in this case I have a little bit more powerful impact drill, and it just destroyed the socket that I put on it, because the hinges are aluminum, and I'm wondering if I can save these. I don't know, like the corrosion on it from the aluminum. I'll clean it up and see, but I definitely had to destroy the bolts to get it off. Now thankfully, as you can see in here, I was able to get the bolts off of the plates that are in here, and all the threads work on all 4 of them, so I'm happy about that, because it could have gone a lot worse. There's no getting these plates out without cutting this tailgate open. So it looks pretty good. I sanded down some areas of rust, so I'll put POR 15 on those, but otherwise it's in pretty good shape. Looks like I got to sand down a little more here, but I had to sand down there, so a little bit of rust in this corner. So if we flip her over, this upper corner here was pretty rusty. Actually, not real rusty compared to other vehicles here, but still indecent. There was a little bit of rust here, so I polished them down. I'll put POR 15 on it. One of the bolts I got out, where's it at? Right there. You can see that indentation right there. Maybe you can't see it with there's like an yeah, there you go. Indentation right there, because what was left of the bolt inside the hinge on the plate was almost drilled. I drilled them out, but when it was too far down for me to grab onto anything to get it out the rest of the way. So what I ended up doing is taking 15/16, I think it's 15, no, not 15/16, 5. What size was it? Yeah, 5/16, 18 is what these threads are. So I just took a bolt and then threaded it through. So inside here's the rest of that bolt, but I'm not too concerned with that. I'm just happy I've got that I was able to save the plates that are in here. Otherwise, I would have had to do something different and figure that out. But everything came off. I did have trouble with one bolt to take the third tail light off, but I ended up just drilling that out and getting rid of it. Got the tire carrier on right there. I'm gonna hold on to it because I got an idea of doing a teardrop camper and using the same tires as a Jeep, so that would be perfect for mounting the spare tire on the trailer. And besides, I still got this one right here with its tailgate. Well, the tailgate's shit, but the tire mount is still on it. So if I do want to put a tire mount back on here, I still have an extra tire mount. But that's as far as I got today. Before I can go any further on this, though, well, I can still POR 15 stuff, and that's probably what I'll do tomorrow. But I'm at a standstill once that's done until I get the new bolts in. I'm going to try to save these hinges. I mean, criminy to get the The Mopar tailgate hinges are like freaking ridiculously expensive. Anything else out in the market is crap, like these right here. Look at this one. They put I want to say rugged ridge hinges on it, which there used to be a little strap here to keep it from opening, but it's not planned very well. I mean, it works fine, but it's just not original. So, and then these hinges probably came with their own bolts, but you can see where the old ones used to be. But yeah, I want something more original. But yeah, so you can see it. I've shown it before. Rusted out, that is. So on my Jeep, or on the blue Jeep I should say, or they're both mine, mine was rusting. That one, so on that tailgate the rust was like up in here. I can see a little bit of rust here, but you know, there's hardly any rust, which is weird. It's not on here, but the bottom is totally tore out on this, and not on that. So yeah, but that's okay. But this is gonna be fine. So I figure mid-September we're shutting this bad boy down. I'm gonna strip it just like I did the blue one in the videos, and we're gonna get that tub onto this one. Although the frame and the wheels and everything are actually this Jeep's, so it's going back to its original owner. It's just this tub's in better shape than that one. I think I've explained that already, but anyway, that's how far I got today. So thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next video.